Every Thursday evening and Friday morning and on Mondays, LiveGood has a little powwow. They have little shindigs. And let me shrink my face up here and I'll show you the schedule. You guys have heard of Zoom, haven't you? If you haven't, you can download it. If you have a home computer, just go to Zoom. Google Zoom, zoom.com. You guys will find it. You can, download it on your home computer and also on your cell phone. Any app, if you got, iPhone and Android or whatnot. Very simple. Download Zoom. It is absolutely free. And if you look on my screen, Thursday, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Okay, that is a Zoom where Ben, our CEO, and Nodder, our marketing director, and our fine doctors that design all our products, they have a little chit chat. They talk about, the future, what's happening, how many people worldwide are kind of kicking butt, and new products on the way and whatnot. They're a lot of fun. They average like 45 minutes. They're not too long. They go real nice, good flow. Then Friday morning, you can see my screen at noon, and that's Eastern time. I live in Utah, so 10 in the morning. California, that's 9 in the morning. And remember, but all three of these Zooms are absolutely recorded. So what you do is you just go to YouTube, type in just the word LiveGood, and you'll see the main hub, and you'll see Nodder, you'll see our doctors, and of course you'll see our CEO, Ben. And that's where all the weekly Zoom meetings are, because we realize at the end of the day, if you're working or you got kids or you got something going on, it's much easier if you just click and pause and go ahead and watch these. But they're good to watch. They're definitely good to watch. But if you want to watch them live, tonight is Thursday when I'm promoting this video or producing it, whatever. So yeah, Thursday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern. Friday is at noon Eastern. And then on Monday with Dr. Ryan and Lisa, that is noon as well, Eastern time, since they're based out of Jupiter, Florida. All right. Okay, I'll go ahead and put this information below this video as well. So hopefully you can just maybe click the Zoom links and it'll just directly take you there on your home computer or your celly phone. All right, well, I'm going to magically appear on your screen. All right, it's always great to see you guys. Thanks for watching my video, and go to pleasewatchvideo.com if you'd like to come aboard. All right, you guys take care.